BGW210 connection timeout full troubleshoot. To start, if your BGW210 shows a connection timeout error, first restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. If that doesn't help, open your browser and type 192.168.1.254. Then, log in with your admin credentials, go to Diagnostics, Resets, and click Reset Broadband to refresh your connection. Next, check your cables. Make sure the fiber or DSL line is securely connected and not damaged. If you're still having issues, try factory resetting the router by holding the reset button for 15 seconds. This clears any configuration errors and restores default settings. So that's it.